We've just viewed some of our dazzling binibinis who won the Best in Evening Gown Awards in their respective years. And if we could only count all the yards of meters of fabulous textiles and the glittering sequins and beads sewn into them since this pageant began, wow, surely millions and millions by now.
You're definitely right. Even the hours of craftsmanship
Yes.
and artistry of our extremely talented Filipino
It's
designers.
incredible.
It really is. But the thing is, what can't be counted is the poise, the radiance, and the grace that we witnessed through the years at this next round of competition. One of my personal favorites, if I may say so myself.
And you're super good at it, Kat. The
Thank you,
best.
as are you. But of course, ladies and gentlemen, the spectacle continues.
Together with today's hottest hitmaker, TJ Monterde.
Welcome to the Bidding Bidding Pilipinas 2024
Evening Gown Competition.
Di man araw-araw na makati, ilang beses na rin tayong umirindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ko palagi.
Binibini Wine, Baguio, Marikit, Manawis. Designer, Glance Mark Aquino. Binibini 2, Taguig City, Corinne San Pedro. Designer, Armand Marco. Binibini 3, Lipa, Batangas, Antea Abanico. Designer, MJ Almazan. Binibini 4, Mandaluyong, Shira Marie Rana. Designer, Luber del Castillo. Binibini 5, Iloilo, Nicklin Hutay. Designer, Alfie Desamparado. Binibini 6, Quezon City, Christine Baconawa. Designer, Ruru Undan. Binibini 7, Binyan Laguna, Jasmine Denise Dingson, designer Michael Millano. Binibini 8, Camiguin, Maria Abigail Hahalia, designer Mikey Andre. Binibini 9, Lucena City, Rachel Distura, designer Roy Aquino. Binibini 10, Zambales, Crystal Jean De La Cruz, designer Rian Fernandez.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ko.
Binibini 11, Caloocan, Kim Velasco de Luna, designer Raymond Villaruel Orteliano. Binibini 12, Buwayang Bato, Mandaluyong, Cheryl Velez, designer Paul Semira. Binibini 13, Kalumpit, Bulacan, Rowella Fria Solis, designer Francis Denelli. Binibini 14, Calamba, Laguna, Bien Sherin Luna Foix, designer Aaron Montoya. Binibini 15, Bukidnon, Sheni Sampang, Designer, Juniel Doring. Binibini 16, Oriental Mindoro, Maria Kakam. Designer, Melchora Tabernero. Binibini 17, Los Baños, Laguna, Rendell Ancaray. Designer, Chico Estiva. Binibini 18, Misamis Oriental, Mitosela Villanueva. Designer, Kat Fuentes Martin. Binibini 19, Ormoc City Leyte, Lizelle Jones. Designer, Dennis Santos. Binibini 20, General Santos City, Shannon Manzano. Designer, Simone Andres.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako, palagi.